Now we're going to open the case. We've got the main unit and the accessories. Here we got the main unit of the device and the grip of the device to handle the device, and it provides us with the free rotate of the device. Like we could see, it's so easy to use. And here we've got the transceiver antenna to transmit and receive the wave from and to the ground. And here we've got both antenna to powering signal. In this step, we will show you how to work with the interfaces of the device and how to set up the parameters of the device. Here we've got the buttons, the navigation buttons, and the power buttons, and the screen of the device. First of all, we have to turn on the device by pressing the power button of the device for 2 or 3 seconds. And in the first button, we have to select the language of the device. We've got 4 languages: English, Turkish, Arabic, and Spanish. To navigate the system, we have 3 buttons: moving button, enter button, and back button. To select the language, we have to press the move button to moving between the language, and select appropriate language by pressing enter button, and we have to select the English language. After turning on the device and putting on the system, we will see the main menu interface. Here we've got 2 icons, the search icon and the settings icon. First we will go for settings icon to set up the setting or change any settings. We've got 3 settings here: brightness, sound, and language. To raise up the brightness, we have to press on enter button to raise up brightness. The same thing to decrease the brightness of the screen. And for sound, the same thing, we have to press on enter button to volume up the sound. And to disable or enable the vibration, we have to long press on enter button to enable the vibration. Here we have enabled the vibration, and to disable the same thing, long press on enter button. And for language, we've got 4 languages we have said before. We will go back and again back, and we will go now for search icon. After choosing the search icon, we will see the interface of searching. Here we've got the parameters of searching. First, the target, then we've got the distance, the depth, and the compass indicator. If we want to change or set up the parameters, first we will start with target. We've got gold or silver, bronze and copper, aluminum, iron, cavity, diamond, emerald, and the same gold. To change or set up the distance, we've got a lot of choices. Up to 2,000 meter for distance. The depth, we've got up to 20 meter. And to start searching, we have to press enter button on start search. As we're searching, the purpose of the compass indicator is to help us tracking the path of the target. After we locate the path of the target, the compass indicator will help us to tracking this path. Just we have to press move button, and the tracking will turn on, we will see an arrow. This is for visual alarming and sonic alarming, as we hear. And if we go away far from the path of the target, it will alarm us to go back, like we have the arrow here. And the same thing for the other way. It will show us that we are on the right target, on the right path of the target, here by the arrow like we said before, and the sonic sound alarming. And if we want to disable the tracking, we just have to press move button like this and it will be off. In this way we will track the path of the target, and then we will find the target after we tracking rightly the path of the target. After setting and selecting the parameters we want, first we calibrate the device with the ground, and this way like we see, then we start to search for expected target. We will move on randomly path until the device turns in another specific direction. We define this path and then we move in different direction to make sure that the device defines this correct path of the target. We could do this procedure several times to make sure, but in other different directions. After specifying the path of the target, we press the move button to activate the tracking feature as we explained previously. Then we move toward the target slowly, following the tracker. Until we reach a point, the device will turn back after it. We turn back and move slowly forward until the device turns back again. And here will be the target between these two turning points and directly under them.